If you have been looking for a full-size wireless keyboard that is ergonomic and comfortable for long durations of usage, then you may want to look into this keyboard. The keyboard connects to your machine over a 2.4 GHz wireless connection. This has all the standard keys that you would need, including the standard function keys as well as volume and medium buttons along the very top. We also have function keys and a number pad on the right and the navigation keys below. And further below, you have a fully padded and contoured palm rest for the entire width of the keyboard. This keyboard, however, only supports Windows-based PCs, so don't try to be connecting your Mac, iPad, or Android devices to it. This keyboard also has a pretty long battery life of up to 3 years, but if you're a power user, you may need to replace the batteries a bit sooner.